Introducing the M18 Cordless SAWZALL, part of the industry's best performing and most durable 18-volt system from Milwaukee. A Milwaukee-designed frameless motor provides faster cuts and longer runtime. All-metal gearing maximizes the durability of the M18 SAWZALL. Reduced vibration provides for more control and faster starts in metal materials. The M18 SAWZALL delivers up to 30% faster cutting in key applications and 50% longer runtime than competitive reciprocating saws. A contoured, ergonomic grip provides increased control and comfort for all-day use. All M18 tools are controlled by Milwaukee's patented REDLINK intelligence with overload protection and temperature management to ensure that your tool and battery are safeguarded during the most demanding job site applications. Powered by M18 red lithium batteries for more power, more runtime, and more recharges than any battery on the market. More durability, faster cuts, and longer runtime. The M18 SAWZALL, part of the M18 system featuring over 70 tools from Milwaukee.